The Way of the Child is a resource to help children ages 6 to 11 develop spiritual disciplines that can nurture a personal relationship with God for a lifetime. Used in small group settings at church, The Way of the Child supports children as they become aware of themselves as spiritual beings, respects their abilities for deep insight and feelings, leads children into a deeper relationship with God, where they learn to recognize God's presence in all life's experiences, encourages response to God in a spirit of awe, gratitude, and praise, provides a community where children's yearnings, dreams, hurts, and questions are explored in relation to God's loving presence.
Spiritual disciplines help us become more open to God's grace and presence. Beginning these practices at an early age can lead to strengthening and deepening one's relationship with God for a lifetime.